I was having this gut feeling that Tapswap is going to postpone this very TGE and listing. Look at these updates. Important update on Tapswap token launch. The Telegram team has recently updated its rules requiring all Telegram mini apps to operate exclusively within the Ton blockchain. This is not a recent news, okay? This is not a recent news. As the Tapswap team is saying, we've seen this news since last month. And if you're on the Pulse airdrop, that was the reason why the Pulse team migrated from Ton to Solana. Another one is that is why they built the website, that is their website for this migration. And another reason why we are connecting our Phantom wallet. So for them to come out to say this is recent, it's not recent, not at all, except they are just seeing this very information 2 days ago or last week. So this is just very devastating, especially for us as airdroppers. To ensure Tapswap remains fully compliant and accessible to our community, we have made the strategic decision to launch Tapswap on the Ton blockchain. Now, let's check the blockchain that they were launching on before. I know you already know, but let's check it together quickly. If you come right here to BitGet, which is the exchange they wanted to list Tapswap, and you click on this very add phone. After clicking on this very asset, so you click on asset first, and then you click on add phone. So if you click on this add phone, it will take you here, and click on deposit crypto. Then you search for Taps. If you search on this very search bar, and let me search for Taps, okay, which is the Tapswap token that was supposed to be launched. If you come right here, deposit address, and the network is Binance Smart Chain. So they were supposed to list on the Binance Smart Chain, and this migration we know is not something they will do in a day, okay? It will take some time before the migration from Binance Smart Chain to Ton will be successful. So this is a very, very devastating news right now from the Tapswap team, as you can see right here. And if you read down again, we always act in the best interest of the community. Do you believe so? Comment below in the comment section. This airdrop have taken over a year now, and they are saying we always act in the best interest of our community. And this change allow us to adapt quickly and ensure successful token launch. As a result, the TGE may be postponed for a few days. However, we firmly believe this adjustment is only for the better. After all, in a fast-changing world, adaptation is the key to survival. Postponement of TGE for a few days. I don't think it's for a few days. This can amount to few months, because we've seen a lot of postponement from the team over and over again. Comment below in the comment section. Do you think this postponement is for a few days? If you're talking about a few days, we're looking at maybe 5-10 days. This postponement is going to enter 1 month and 2 months, and then we'll be waiting for a new update. Initial withdrawal will only be available on BitGet. We will announce the on-chain withdrawal date separately. All the data you have already provided for BitGet remain valid, and no changes are required. I don't think the data provided does not require a change, and here is the reason why. The reason why that data require a change is because there is a migration that is going to go on, right? You are migrating from the Binance Smart Chain to the Ton blockchain. What that also implies that people that submitted their BEP20 address, we know we submitted this very address which support the Binance Smart Chain network, and if you are migrating from this very network, it means that it will have a new address, okay, on a different or separate blockchain. So this very one need to be changed. I think they may come up with another information, or they're not talking about this very data. They're talking about another separate data. So this is very important, guys. And this is where we are right now on the Tapswap TGE and listing. If you read this very statement, which is very funny, our team is working around the clock to make this transition smooth and ensure a successful launch for our dearest Tapswap community. This is why I find it very interesting. Dearest Tapswap community. how is it dearest when you've been postponing stuff all this while? Stay tuned for updates. We are almost there. I don't think we are almost there until you list this token on a major exchange, for example Bitget, as you said. So this is a very important update, guys, from the Tapswap team. Everything have been shifted to further notice. Postponement, always part of the game, but this very one have taken a very long time, to be very sincere. And this is not what airdroppers and miners want to see for a good community or from a good team. From my understanding, the Tapswap team lacks credibility and transparency. They come up with a new lot of stuff as if they don't know what they're doing. So postponement of TGE listing, everything have been suspended until migration have been fully done. And this is what we need to note right now, guys. So this is the recent update on the Tapswap listing and TGE. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comments. Thanks for your support.